Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating an isolated environment and installing the AI stack. This prevents package conflicts. Next, pick the right library for your needs and install it into that venv. Once done, provision API keys or download datasets and store secrets as environment variables so you avoid hardcoding. Then initialize a minimal project structure with src/test/ and a requirements. txt. That gets you in a reproducible, secure starting state and lets you iterate quickly. Now you build the data pipeline, ingest raw data, run validation, and batch examples for efficiency. Next, decide whether to use a pre-trained model or fine-tune, load checkpoints, and enable mixed precision for speed if supported. Then wire the model into an API layer, use async inference and caching to keep latency low. Make sure to log inputs and outputs for debugging, and include retries and graceful degradation, so your system remains robust under variable load. Finally, containerize the app and define resource limits and health checks so orchestration works predictably. Deploy with CI/CD and configure metrics and alerts to watch latency, errors, and data drift. Schedule periodic evaluation to detect model degradation. Make sure to version models and have a rollback path. If things break, reproduce the issue with a minimal test case and compare logs and inputs against a known good run. That quick feedback loop gets you back to stable operation fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.